I've been a woodworker since about 1987, played around with it most of my life. And in April of 2020, with the pandemic rearing its head, my wife and I were discussing downsizing, moving to an apartment. So I needed to clean my garage out, my workshop, so that we'd be able to list the house. And I wondered to myself, how am I going to keep woodworking if I sell all my gear? There was no woodworking club in the area, and said we should start one. So I emailed the town and got an answer within 5 minutes. They said they'd be happy to explore it, that they had a space in mind. Well, we're in that space now, provided by the town. So we formed what is called the Codiac Woodworkers Guild. We are a not-for-profit corporation. We've got about 115 members, all seniors, all from the Greater Moncton area, and the shop is busy most days. It's keeping seniors off the street. The prospect of getting out and learning woodworking, there's a lot of people that are interested in it, but they don't have the equipment and they don't want to spend the money, so they get to come out here and try it out. And we've had some members that started with zero experience and are now building furniture, if you can believe it. Every woodworker is always happy to pass on their knowledge through their experience, and any question that gets asked gets answered maybe by too many people. Everybody wants to chip in. For about 3.5 years, I watched YouTube video of my favorite hand tool woodworker, Rob Cosman. So I went down to visit him, and he started telling me about his Purple Heart project.
He started the Purple Heart project as a way to use hand tool woodworking as a form of therapy, which helps wounded military veterans cope with their injuries, with their disabilities. When they're finished the course, they leave with about $4,500 worth of quality hand tools and a workbench that they can take with them to continue using those skills they've just learned. My name is Ross McKay. I'm a member of the Codiac Woodworkers Guild, and I'm the lead on the Codiac Woodworkers Guild Purple Heart Project Bench Brigade. Project Bench Brigade is a group of volunteers across North America who build the workbenches and donate them so that the veterans can have these workbenches to take with them.
What the Purple Heart Project means to me is the availability of an opportunity to give back to people that have sacrificed a lot, combat wounded vets, and the fact that we can do something that helps these people to engage and get out of their heads and practice skills that they've learned from Rob Cosman's class. It means a whole lot to me and all of the volunteers that help out in the Bench Brigade.
I think as a Canadian, I've always had a lot of respect for the military. My father was a World War II vet. When I was given a chance to do something to actually contribute, it meant the world to me. And working on the projects continues that. It's inspirational. I feel so privileged to have the opportunity to contribute and to inspire other people to contribute. I don't know how long I'll be able to continue doing it year after year, but as long as I'm able, I'll be here making workbenches for the Purple Heart Project.